Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change name on Bumble. First, you're gonna come here, launch Bumble, click on your profile icon here at the bottom left. You will be on this page, and then what you do guys is come here at the top right, click on the settings gear icon, okay? And on this page I want you to scroll all the way down, and here you see the Bumble logo. What I need you to do, guys, is go ahead and tap on this twice. Double tap this Bumble logo. You will now see your user ID. I want you to tap on this to copy. As you can see, it's copied. And then you open up your browser and search Bumble change name. I want you to click on this link. My name is incorrect. How can I change it? Okay. And here you will find the instructions as well. You can go ahead and read this. They're happy to do this for you. You just want to click on here. This is the hyperlink. Go ahead and click on this. So now we're contacting a Bumble. Okay. And you're going to explain to them that you want your name to be changed. Click on report a technical issue. Put it in your name. So it is William Hunter. Give your email address. Okay, what mode you are using. I was using Bumble Date when I signed up. Okay, if you're using Bumble BFF or Bumble Biz, select those. What platform you're using it on. It is an Android. And now you can choose a service. Okay, so we'll choose here others. And then explain what exactly the issue is. So I am going to say I would like my username changed, okay, for the user ID, and then paste in that user ID. Okay, we'll go ahead and paste that right here to William Smith. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and click on send message, and they will go ahead and contact you. So first we need to fill in this CAPTCHA. So go ahead and do that right here. Okay, and then just go ahead and send that message, and they will give you a confirmation message that it has been sent to the Bumble support team. They will review it, and then they will go ahead and change your name for you.